Imagine a world where every wish, every whim is fulfilled. A dream world where luxury and tranquility combine. Off the coast of Abu Dhabi lies an exquisite island oasis. In the warm embrace of the aquamarine Arabian Gulf, it's a world defined by water, surrounded by shimmering silver sands. An exclusive destination nestled within enchanting mangrove forests. A place only a fortunate few will come to call home. An astonishing, limited collection of palatial waterfront mansions where no expense has been spared. Designed to elevate your lifestyle. Created to reward your ambition. It's an enclave of understated elegance and carefully curated aesthetic touches. A place where every day brings an opportunity to nurture and play. Rejuvenate, unwind, and explore. Only minutes from the city, but a million miles from the ordinary. A world within a world. Lush, evergreen landscapes. The Abu Dhabi skyline, an ever-present companion. A secluded island hideaway. Every home with a private beach overlooking crystal clear waters. Moonlit sands where new memories are made and life is to be celebrated. A life of wellness and adventure. A life well deserved. Welcome to island life. Bada Al Jubail.